Effective strategies for managing hypokalemia at home. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining good health is of utmost importance. One vital aspect of our well-being is the balance of electrolytes in our bodies. Potassium, an essential electrolyte, plays a crucial role in various bodily functions. When potassium levels drop below the normal range, a condition called hypokalemia occurs. In this video, we will explore effective strategies for managing hypokalemia at home to promote overall health and well-being. Hypokalemia, characterized by low potassium levels in the blood, can lead to various health issues if left untreated. Potassium is responsible for maintaining proper muscle and nerve function, regulating heart rhythm, and supporting kidney function. Maintaining muscle and nerve function, regulating heart rhythm, supporting kidney function. Seeking appropriate low potassium treatment at home can help restore the balance and prevent further health problems. When it comes to managing hypokalemia, a well-balanced diet is crucial. Including potassium-rich foods in your daily meals can significantly help increase your potassium levels. Some low-potassium foods to incorporate into your diet are bananas, avocados, spinach, sweet potatoes, and oranges. It's also important to limit or avoid high-potassium foods like bananas, potatoes, tomatoes, and certain dairy products. Regular exercise and physical activity can help maintain optimal potassium levels in the body. Stress management techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, and mindfulness can also be vital in managing hypokalemia. Adequate hydration by drinking enough water throughout the day is essential for maintaining electrolyte balance, including potassium. Maintaining optimal potassium levels is vital for our overall health and well-being. By incorporating low-potassium foods into your diet, making lifestyle modifications, and seeking appropriate medical guidance, you can effectively manage hypokalemia at home. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional for an accurate diagnosis, personalized treatment plan, and ongoing monitoring. Taking proactive steps to address low potassium levels can help prevent complications and promote a healthier and more balanced life. Thanks for watching.